Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by verifying prerequisites and launching LM Studio. Make sure Python, CUDA drivers, or proper CPU runtime are ready. Once done, import or point to the model files so LM Studio can index them. This speeds initial loads. Next, configure compute settings, choose GPU if available, set batch size and context length to match your model. This balances performance and memory. Finally, open the coding workspace to connect an editor or notebook. You'll need this to run and test snippets right away. You now connect the model to your codebase and test interactions. Start a new project and point LM Studio at your entry script like main. Py, so outputs map to your app flow. Once connected, use the REPL or API client inside LM Studio to send prompts, inspect logits, and iterate on prompt engineering. Make sure to tune temperature, top P, and max tokens to control creativity and verbosity. While testing, capture logs and sample outputs so you can adjust prompts and model parameters systematically. You finish by packaging your API wrapper and running end-to-end tests to confirm the model integrates with your application. Once done, measure latency and memory. Make sure to scale threads or lower context length if performance lags. Deploy locally or to your chosen host, and validate inputs and outputs across edge cases. If something goes wrong, check LM Studio logs first, confirm the model files aren't corrupted, restart the runtime, and rerun the failing test. That single step resolves most issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.